Hello everyone, we've finally reached the last episode of our guide. Today on COTT Electronics, we'll be discussing the user page. When your hotel is up and running with multiple people completing different tasks and using this interface to help the ship run smoothly, you will need a collective database to show who's doing what. The users can be separated into specific groups, and each person in said group will be performing different roles. Different roles will have different purposes. Ergo, not everyone will have the same permission, which is specified when we're adding a new one. Once you've added all the groups and roles, you will need to keep an eye out on what everyone is doing. For this purpose, you have the activity log, which helps you keep track of the changes on your device. And with that, we've concluded the guide to COTT Electronics Hotelier platform. Thank you for watching, and as always, for more from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.